A man sold his bicycle for rupees 405. So his selling price is 405. That we are sure of. Okay. Losing 1/10 of its cost price. And now we are not aware of its cost price. Have you understood what I'm saying?
Yes.
We are not aware of the cost price. Now I am not aware of the cost price. One of the easy way of doing this question is, what I'll assume is, let the cost price be X. Mr. Satya, Mr. Aryaman, is it correct? Mr. Aryaman, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
See, I'm just trying to tell you the easy way of doing the questions where it becomes very easy to solve the question. So if the cost price, I assume, let cost price be X. So Mr. Satya, what would be the loss? Mr. Sarthak,
Yes, sir.
what would be the loss? Mr. Aryaman,
So 40.5.
Beta, if the cost price is X, if I have assumed the cost price to be X, then the loss would be 1/10 of the cost price. So it would be 1 by 10x. Have we understood this or not? Or is it difficult? Mr. Satya,
Yes.
Mr. Sarthak,
So I can't understand you.
okay. It's a bit difficult. See, he has sold the bicycle for rupees 405. Okay. So this is the selling price. Okay. Losing 1/10 of its cost price. I assume the cost price to be X. He has lost 1/10 of X. Therefore, loss would be 1 by 10x. Sarthak, have you understood? Or still there's a doubt?
So I understood.
Mr. Satya, have you understood? Okay. Mr. Aryaman, what would be the selling price?
Selling price would be 445.5.
In terms of X, what would be the selling price?
Selling price would
P
be
minus loss. CP is X. Loss is 1 by 10x. Therefore, selling price is 9 by 10x. Mr. Aryaman, have you understood?
yeah.
Mr. Satya, have you understood? Mr. Satya has left the meeting. Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now the selling price, is this selling price. Therefore, the equation which is formed is 9 by 10x is equal to 405. Mr. Aryaman, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
See, again, this is a difficult question. You may have to.
So actually, the cost price would be 450.
I'm sorry.
The cost price would be 450.
Okay.
And the loss would be 45.
Okay. Have you understood the method?
Yeah.
Mr. Sarthak, have you understood the method? Mr. Satya, have you understood the method?
Yes, sir. Sir, I had logged out in the. My
No,
Wi-Fi
have
is
you
working.
okay? Have you understood what I've done till here?
Yes, sir. I'm on.
Okay. See, I'll try to explain it again. Again, it's a bit difficult question. Let's try to understand this again. A man sold his bicycle for 405. So I have the selling price. Okay. This I have. Losing 1/10 of its cost price. Now I don't know the cost price. I assume the cost price to be X. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Then what I see is he has lost 1/10 of its cost price. Therefore, loss would be 1/10 of X. Now this is my cost price. This is my loss. My selling price would be cost price minus loss. It would be X minus 1/10X. And my SP in terms of X is 9/10X. Mr. Sarthak, have you understood this or not?
Yes, I understand.
Now this selling price, what I have calculated till here, this selling price is in terms of X. And I know that this selling price should be equal to this 405. So I will be able to form an equation like this. How will this equation help me? This equation will help me to find the value of X. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So again, see, what I'll request is just have a look at this video again. Try to do this, at least this question 14 again, using the method that I've just told you. Now I just need to calculate the value. 9/4 the 36, 9/5 the 40. So the 450 is X. And Mr. Satya, what is 4X? What is 450? Mr. Sarthak.
So the selling price.
The selling price is rupees 450. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, once I have found the cost price, now I already have the selling price. Therefore, loss. And anyways, the loss is 1/10 of the cost price. So this will be 1/10 of 450. Therefore, loss will be rupees 45. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.